Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected error on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. The first and simplest solution is to restart your computer. To do this, right-click on the Start button, then select the Shutdown or Sign Out option and choose Restart. After your computer has rebooted, check if the error persists. If the issue continues, the next step is to re-establish the connection of your USB device. This involves unplugging the USB device and then reconnecting it. You can try plugging it back into the same USB port or a different one to see if that makes a difference. Following that, you will want to update your USB drivers. Begin by searching for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and opening it. Once Device Manager is open, scroll down and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Here, you will find USB Root Hub entries. Right-click on each USB root hub and select the Update Driver option. Repeat this process for all listed USB root hubs. While you are in the properties of each USB root hub, you can further optimize its performance. Right-click on a USB root hub and select Properties. Navigate to the Power Management tab. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this box, and then click OK. Perform this action for every USB root hub driver to ensure they are not being unnecessarily powered down. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.